Your question is the minimum number of judges of the Supreme Court required for hearing any case involving interpretation of the Constitution is. Your options are A 10, B 9, C 7, or D 5. Right answer is D 5. Your question is the power of the Supreme Court of India to decide disputes between the center and the state falls under its. Your options are A advisory jurisdiction, B appellate jurisdiction, C original jurisdiction, or D constitutional jurisdiction. Right answer is C original jurisdiction. Your question is the second largest bench constituted by the Supreme Court till date was in the. Your options are A Golaknath case, B Minerva Mills case, C bank nationalization case, or D TMA Pi Foundation case. Right answer is A Golaknath case. Your question is in which of the following cases the Supreme Court of India initiated the doctrine of basic structure? Your options are A Golaknath, B A.K. Gopalan, C Keshwanand Bharti, or D Menaka Gandhi. Right answer is C Keshwanand Bharti. Your question is which one of the following cases propounded the concept of basic structure of the Indian Constitution? Your options are A Indira Sahni case, B Shankari Prasad's case, C Rudal Shah's case, or D none of the above. Right answer is D none of the above. Your question is the minimum number of Supreme Court judges who can hear a case involving a substantial question of law as to the interpretation of the Constitution is. Your options are A 5, B 7, C 11, or D 13. Right answer is A 5. Your question is in which of the following cases Supreme Court held that fundamental rights enable a man to chalk out his life in the manner he likes best. Your options are A Indira Gandhi versus Raj Narayan, B Golaknath versus the state of Punjab, C bank nationalization case, or D Azhar versus municipal corporation. Right answer is B Golaknath versus the state of Punjab. Your question is identify the incorrect pair of case and ruling in that case by Supreme Court. Your options are A Indira Sahni case creamy layer for other backward classes, B Vishakha case protection of working women against sexual harassment at their place of work, C Menaka Gandhi case articles 14, 19 and 21 are not mutually exclusive, or D Bela Banerjee case right to travel abroad is a part of personal liberty. Right answer is D. Bela Banerjee case. Right to travel abroad is a part of personal liberty. Your question is which article of the Constitution of India deals with the appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court in connection with constitutional cases? Your options are A. Article 131, B. Article 132, C. Article 132 read with Article 134A, or D. Article 133 read with Article 134A. Right answer is C. Article 132 read with Article 134A. Your question is all the cases regarding interpretation of the Constitution can be brought to the Supreme Court under its. Your options are A. Original jurisdiction, B. Appellate jurisdiction, C. Advisory jurisdiction, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Appellate jurisdiction.